Hi, how's everyone doing today? Sorry for the poor lighting. I'm down in the basement here. I forgot my other light, my other home. So I'm going to just do the best I can with what I got. Today I'm going to be setting up a new grow light station for growing veggies up at my girlfriend's homestead here. As we're planning on doing a big plant sale in the spring. I'm hoping to do like 5,000 plants at $3 each, which makes a pretty good, decent cash. So that's the plan. And then just like last year, a lot of people were trying to grow their own food with everything that's going on in the world. So I figure I'm going to take advantage of some of that, get ahead of the curve, and try to make some good cash with this. But what I'm going to do today is, I've got these 3 shelves, or 4 shelves I guess, since we've got the one on the ground here. Count that as a shelf as well. And I'm going to clean them up quickly, and then I'm going to paint them all white, so that when the lights are on, it reflects more light back to the plants, and see how it goes. I could probably put another shelf in here so that I could get another layer, but I'm going to start with what I have right now and see how it goes. So I'll get this quickly cleaned up and then show you what it looks like after I got painted. Alright, so I've got this all painted now. Just a quick job with some white paint. Use some seedling paint and some bin, just so that's white, reflect the light back onto, just make it brighter in there, make it more reflective. So my next step is I need to bring my lights up, get some lights in here, set them up, get some plants growing soon. And as well, I'll show you this other section. Once I have my seedlings here, I'm gonna put them in my trays, and once they're about 30 days old, I'm gonna transplant them to bigger cups. And then I'm gonna hopefully, if all goes well, this over here, I don't know if you can see, it's pretty dark in here. I'm going to paint the walls white too, I think. See if this helps any. Paint the walls white here. And I'm hopefully going to get a rack from Costco or somewhere, wire rack, so I can put all my seedlings there. And then they'll be ready to go. That's all my maple syrup stuff right now I have. Still trying to get everything set up. There we go. So once I get my light set up, I will show you what that looks like. I'm using 2 screws just to make sure that it's strong enough so that the light doesn't fall off. There we go, that should hold it in. And I'll do one down here as well. First though, I'm going to put my S-Huff up here quickly and hang the light here so that I have a rough idea of where I want to hang this one here. So that's pretty decent right about there. And I'll be back in a few minutes once I get this done. Okay, I've got it hung up pretty easy here. Just some S-hooks. I'll probably need to get some chain to lower it, because it's going to be a bit too high, I think. So I'm going to bring the cord around, and extension cord is down there. So I'll have to switch the light on so I can put the extension cord over there. I'll be back in a second. There we go. It's on. I'm definitely going to need to drop it lower, probably down to here, so that the seeds will get a better, stronger light. And ideally, it'd be nice if I could actually move that down farther. Put another 2-foot light up here, so you have at least 8 trays in here. But then I need to work on, I got this other light up here too that I need to refigure and put in as well. And then get another light for there, another light for the bottom. And then as well, I just picked up the shelving unit here, which we'll put all our seedlings on once they're big enough. Okay, so I got my heat pallets here now. The light's actually warmed up now, so it's a lot brighter than it was. So I've got a nice light from side to side, so that'll be good. I still want it lowered a bit when I first start the seeds, but there we go. New plant room is almost ready. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick video on setting up a new grow room here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. We'll see you out there.